Welcome to Haleria, the smarter way to handle customer conversations, boost conversions, and reduce order cancellations automatically. Are you a Shopify store owner struggling with customers asking the same product questions again and again? Slow response times causing lost sales, and messages coming from live chat, Instagram, and WhatsApp all at once? And you don't have a team available to reply 24/7? If this sounds familiar, then this video is definitely for you. Haleria is a powerful Shopify app that gives your store a 24/7 AI-powered live chatbot, automatic product-based answers, smart WhatsApp integration, order confirmation automation, all in one simple system. Getting started is simple. Okay, let me install the app on the test store and show you. Just go to the Shopify App Store. Search for Haleria AI Chatbot and support. Click Install. Click Install. Choose your plan. I am selecting the Pro plan. Approve it. And now it has been installed successfully. You can see the plans, conversations, WhatsApp business automation, and usage tabs. If you go to Haleria AI Chatbot and support and click on Activate AI Chat widget, the first step is to enable the chatbot for your store from here. Next, you can adjust the chat display settings according to your preference, including the width and height of the chat widget. You can also customize the primary color of the chat widget to match your store's branding. Additionally, you can set the chat subtitle, input placeholder text, and welcome message based on your own requirements. Moving forward to the Demo Chat Assistant section under AI Assistant Configuration, you can configure your assistant and manage its knowledge sources. In the Knowledge Base section, you can upload files or select from your Google Docs, Google Sheets. Now, let's move to the Plans tab. Here, you can view all available plans and easily upgrade or downgrade based on your business needs. Next is the Conversations tab. In this section, you can view conversation statistics, as well as all customer conversations. You can see what customers are asking for, review chat history, and analyze interaction trends. The WhatsApp Business Automation tab is one of the most powerful features. Here, you can connect your WhatsApp account and automate WhatsApp queries and chats, allowing customers to interact with your store seamlessly. In the Profile section, you can edit your profile. In live chat, your WhatsApp QR code will appear. And in Analytics, you can see your WhatsApp analytics, how many messages were sent in, how many days, how many were delivered. You can analyze everything from there. Finally, in the Usage tab, you can monitor how much of your selected plan has been used, how much is remaining, and view complete usage analytics and performance insights. Now let's see how this works in real time. I'm inside the store right now. First, we go to the Chatbot section and click on it. From here, we can start a new conversation, just like a real customer would. Let's say I'm a customer and I type, "Hi, do you have this t-shirt in black?" As you can see, the chatbot instantly responds. It checks the product data automatically and confirms whether the black color is available. It also shares the price and product details immediately, without any manual reply from the store owner. Now I'll continue as a customer. I want to place the order directly from the chat. So I select the product, confirm the variant, and proceed with the order. And just like that, the order is confirmed and placed within the chat itself. No redirection. No delay. No manual typing from the admin side. Now, let's take another example. If a customer messages on WhatsApp and says, "Hi, I want to order this product," the system instantly captures the request, collects the required details like size, color, and address, confirms everything step by step. With Haleria, you get faster response times, increased conversions, reduced order cancellations, 24/7 automated sales support, stronger WhatsApp-based order trust, and less workload for you. While you focus on growing your store, Haleria handles the conversations. Running a successful Shopify store isn't just about products, it's about responding faster, building trust, and never missing a sale. Haleria helps you do exactly that automatically. Install Haleria today from the Shopify App Store and start converting more visitors into customers. Let your store sell smarter, 24/7. Haleria Smart Conversations. Real conversions.